Common XC questions to ask in interview. Introduce yourself. How do you know about medical coding? What is diabetes? A group of diseases that result in too much sugar in the blood, high blood glucose. If type of diabetes is not mentioned, then what code you should give? Type 2 diabetes E11. What is the difference between type 2 diabetes and secondary diabetes? Secondary diabetes refers to a condition where high blood glucose and diabetes like symptoms arise as a consequence of another disease, states such as pancreatic cancer, pancreatitis, cystic fibrosis, etc. And type 2 diabetes refers to a condition where pancreas secretes insulin, but it's not enough. What is sepsis? Sepsis is a blood infection or systemic infection. Code of sepsis A41.NINE. What is adverse effect and poisoning? An adverse effect is a reaction to a therapeutic substance correctly prescribed and administered. Poisoning is injury or death due to swallowing, inhaling, touching, or injecting various drugs, chemicals, venoms, or gases. What is modify? Modifiers indicate that a service or procedure performed has been altered by some specific circumstance, but not changed in its definition or code. Explain modifiers, key components of EM history examination, MDM. What is MDM? Medical decision making. MDM refers to the process clinicians use to make decisions and draw conclusions from any available medical data. Elements of MDM: low complexity, moderate complexity, high complexity. Sections of CPDM: anesthesia, integumentary system, musculoskeletal system, respiratory system, cardiovascular system, digestive system, urinary system, nervous system, radiology, pathology, and laboratory medicine. Category codes .I.E.APPENDIX with exclusive and to what is medical coding. Key component modifier: decep, defensep. Section terminology: rhinoplasty, mastectomy. Other terminology: modifiers, hypertension, DMIC. Other guidelines. Points: brief yourself. ICD 10 updated guidelines, anatomy, CPT procedures, COVID guidelines, MDM table, medical terminology. Modifiers: Modifier 24 is appended to an evaluation and management service, never to a procedure, to indicate that an unrelated EM service was provided by the same physician during a postoperative period. Other same specialty physicians are included in the definition of same physician. That is, if a surgeon is covering post op patients for her partner, the covering surgeon is considered the same physician and does not bill for it. Example: a surgeon performs a hernia repair on May 20. The procedure has a 90-day global period, so all related post op care is included in the payment for the hernia. But on July 1, the patient returns to have a breast lump evaluated. Report the EM service with modifier 24 attached and use the new diagnosis breast lump as the reason for the visit. Modifier 25. This modifier is used to report an evaluation and management EM service on a day when another service was provided to the patient by the same physician or other qualified healthcare professional. Example: a patient visits the cardiologist for an appointment complaining of occasional chest discomfort during exercise. The patient has a history of hypertension and high cholesterol. After the physician completes an office visit, it is determined that the patient needs a cardiovascular stress test that is performed that day by the same physician. 57. Modifier. It's generally understood that modifier 57 applies to an EM from which a decision for surgery has been made by the physician. But there is something more you should know. Surgical procedures aren't the only procedures where modifier 57 can and should apply. In fact, the CPT manual states modifier 57 can be used on any EM during which the physician decides a major procedure is necessary. Example: a patient presents to the emergency department ED with abdominal pain and fever. The consulting surgeon documents a level 3 outpatient consult and decides at that visit to perform an emergency appendectomy. The appropriate coding for payment of the preceding EM is 99,243 minus 57, 44,950. ICD: diabetes, hypertension. CKD codes on what is sepsis. 2. What ICD code series gone for respiratory diseases. 3. What is first code or series of evaluation and management. 4. What is ERZ. 5. What is AKI. 6. What is Schedule H. 7. What is Schedule X. EMM series: new patient, established patient. EMM modifier with example and explanation. Veins, arteries, difference between pharmacology and types. Antihypertensive drug EM. All table modifiers: 24, 25, 27 divided by 57, 52, 53 divided by 76. Combination codes. Just interview. Self introduction. CPT code series, ICD code series. What is ICD? What is adverse drug reaction? What is AMI? What is side effects? Series of digestive system. What is ESA? Difference between side effects. NADR. What is COPD? What is ICD? Full form. Codes them and define. What is CPT? HCPC's full form. Diabetes codes. UTI series: I diabetes with CKD, diabetes with PVDC, circulatory series ICE. What is modifier? Modifier 57 with example. Modifier 24 with example. Diabetes with CKD. Second interview. Self-introduction. What is ICD? How many characters are there in ICD? 3-character ICD code with example. What is 7th character in ICD with example? What is IND? What is laceration? How many chapter are there in CPT? What is established? Patent. Preparing for HCC coding interviews. Here is a quick knowledge boost. As a passionate HCC medical coder, I've compiled some key topics and coding concepts that often come up during interviews. These essentials not only help in acing the interview, but also reflect a strong foundational understanding of HCC and risk adjustment coding. 1. HCC hierarchical condition category, a risk adjustment model developed by CMS to predict future healthcare costs based on a patient's chronic and serious diagnosis. It plays a key role in Medicare Advantage and other risk based programs. 2. Each CPCS healthcare common procedure coding system used mainly for hospital supplies, durable medical equipment DME, and outpatient services. It complements CPT codes for billing non physician services. CPT, current procedural terminology maintained by the IMA. CPT codes are used to describe medical, surgical, and diagnostic procedures and services performed by healthcare professionals. 4. CMS Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, a U.S. federal agency overseeing Medicare, Medicaid, and the health insurance marketplace. CMS also governs rules for HCC and risk adjustment coding. 5. Key components of a medical record CC, Chief Complaint each PI, History of Present Illness ROS, Review of Systems PE, Physical Examination Assessment, and Plan Clinical Impression and Treatment Strategy. 6. HIPAA Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act ensures data privacy and security for protected health information PHI. 7. Current versus past medical history headers, current PE, ROS assessment, plan past PMH, past medical history, surgical history, social history. 8. Examples of acute critical conditions. These require urgent attention and are often captured during inpatient care: myocardial infarction MI, deep vein thrombosis DVT, pulmonary embolism, unstable angina, severe fractures, stroke, sepsis, acute renal failure, septic shock, cardiac arrest. 9. ARCS-HC prescription-based CC model used in Medicare Part D risk adjustment. It uses prescription data to support HCC diagnosis, especially under CMS HCC V5 model. 10. MEAT criteria used to validate the presence of a chronic acute condition: M monitoring, E evaluation, A assessment, T treatment. TIMPER is another tool: T treatment, assessment, M monitoring, P plan, E evaluation, R referral. 11. ICD-10 structure. ICD-10 stands for International Classification of Diseases. 10th revision, clinical modification. It uses a 3-7 character alphanumeric format. For example, the letter indicates category, followed by characters that denote etiology, location, and severity. 12. See placeholder used to maintain the correct code length when a 7th character is needed, but no 5th, 6th characters are available, e.g., fracture codes. 13. ICD-10 punctuation N instructions excludes 1 mutually exclusive conditions. Can't be coded together, e.g., B20 and Z21. Excludes 2 conditions can be coded together if supported by documentation, e.g., J47.INE and J43.INE. CC also in the alphabetic index. Directs coders to more appropriate terms for accurate coding. 14. Etiology versus manifestation. Etiology, cause of disease; manifestation, effect, symptom, result. Use code first for etiology and use additional code for the manifestation. 15. Common guidelines for specific conditions. Fractures include laterality, type open closed, healing stage, and encounter type. Use 7th character A, D, S as appropriate. Diabetes mellitus DM 5 types: type 1, type 2 default. If not specified, drug induced secondary the post pancreatectomy always. Check for combinations with CKD, neuropathy, or retinopathy. Pulmonary embolism, life threatening. Code from inpatient records like discharge summaries or critical care notes. Deep vein thrombosis DVT, critical condition, must be supported by strong documentation and treated promptly. Chronic kidney disease CKD stages 1-4 and 18.ONE and 18.FOU or stage 5-6 in 18.FIVE and 18.SI XESRDZ 99.TW ODM CKD 11.T WENTY2 CK stage CKD I12 and INEEY 12.Z or O CKD het and FI 13. ZEROI 50 and 18. Sepsis, look for clinical evidence like temp, HRBP, and source of infection. Severe sepsis code, the underlying infection R65.TWE and TY septic shock at R65.TW. ENTY 1T81.TW ELVE if post procedural sequence matters. CAD coronary artery disease code based on whether it involves angina, stents bypass, etc. Combined with I25.TE and I25.NINE depending on specifics. DM combinations ICD10 has combination codes for diabetes with complications, e.g., E11.TWE and TY2 for DM with CKD, E11.FORTY for DM with neuropathy. Choose the most specific one based on documentation. Ectomy coding derived from surgical history Andor physical exam findings. Code the absence of organ e.g. Z90 series and document the reason for removal. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.